Okay then gang, we have covered quite a lot so far and we've nearly finished the application now, but there's still a couple more topics I want to work through. And the first one, which we're going to look at in this lesson, is how we can improve the speed of the navigation between pages and make the website perform a little bit more like a single page application that you might typically make with something like Next.js. So currently, when we navigate to a new page, the browser makes a request to the server for a whole new HTML document, which then replaces the whole current page that's showing in the browser. And this might not be bad most of the time, but if the connection was slow, then it's probably going to affect the performance quite a lot. For example, I've got the network tab already open here, and I'm going to change this option up here to something like slow 4G, which is going to be much slower. And then if I try to navigate between pages, you're going to see that it's taking a little longer to get a full page response and show that new page in the browser. And the same is even true if we click on the back button to go to the previous page. It's going to take a long time before we see it. So, Livewire provides us with a nice navigation utility that we can use really easily to speed things up and make the application behave more like an SPA, a single page application, where instead of a full HTML document request and response, Livewire sends an AJAX request under the hood for the template and then dynamically injects that into the DOM when it gets a response. So let's give this a whirl. So to implement this feature, it's incredibly easy. We just need to come to the links we have in the navbar inside the layout file and add the wire navigate directive to each one. And this tells Livewire to implement this faster single page style navigation to each one of these links. So let's do that on both of them, and we can also do a similar thing from the create book component class where we currently redirect the user back to the homepage after they save a new book, and we do that right here. So all we have to do is add a second argument to this redirect method called navigate, and we're going to set that to be true. And again, that's all there is to it. So now let's try this out in a browser to see just if it's any quicker. Okay then, so I want you to pay attention to two things when we do this. First of all, the speed, which is going to be a little bit quicker, and also pay attention to what gets requested over here in the network tab, because before, whenever we loaded a new page, like when we refresh completely, we request all of these different things, the HTML, but all of the JavaScript, the CSS, and so forth. Now, we're just going to request an HTML template, and then under the hood, Livewire is going to update the template on the fly, okay? So let's have a look. Add a book. Yep, that's a little bit quicker. And also notice, all we requested was these two things right here. I'm going to clear this so you can see it again. Book list, and you can see just these two things right here were requested, and it is a little bit quicker now as well.